In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your Outlook. Whether you're looking to freshen up your interface or simply prefer a different aesthetic while you work, personalizing the look of your Outlook can make your email experience more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. So, let's dive in and explore how to easily change Outlook's color theme. First, you will want to go to the Microsoft Outlook page on your web browser. That's your starting point to access the email service online. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the Sign In button, which is generally quite prominent on the page. Click on it to proceed to the Login section. As the Sign In page loads, you'll see fields where you can input your login details. Carefully enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. After you've filled in these details, click Next to advance into your Outlook dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll access various features of your email service, and it's the main control panel for customizing settings. Now that you're on the Outlook dashboard, draw your attention to the top right corner of the page. You're looking for the settings icon, often represented by a gear or cog symbol. Give it a click to open up your settings menu. This is where you can control a variety of preferences to optimize your Outlook experience. Within the settings menu, you'll need to find the option labeled General. It's typically located among the initial choices you come across. Once you've selected General, look for the subsection called Appearance. This is your destination for all things related to color themes, as well as other visual adjustments like dark or light mode, or any unique themes that might suit your style better. At this point, you're at the heart of customizing your Outlook theme. You'll see various color schemes and modes available to personalize your display settings. Browse through these options to find a layout that appeals to you, whether it's a soothing color hue that's easy on the eyes, or a vibrant theme to spark creativity. Remember, you can always experiment with different choices until you find the one that perfectly complements your workflow and visual preferences. And that's it. Once you've made your selection, your new theme will be applied instantaneously, giving Outlook a refreshing look and feel that aligns perfectly with your taste. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you wish to make changes or explore new themes. Customizing your Outlook interface is a simple yet effective way to enhance your productivity and make your email environment more welcoming. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.